Hello YouTube. Um, guess on here saying I fucked up. I didn't realize how much clothes I had left, so now I gotta be here and buy some new clothes or new shorts. That's why I say it's important to find a 24 hours washaterias, which I did not. I think I do some research on that shit, but it is what it is. Gotta pay for it now, buying 3 pairs of shorts, cause I'm not trying to wash clothes during the day when I could be making money. So gotta buy 3 pairs, cause won't be able to wash till Tuesday morning, and I'm not gonna wear the same shit twice. So just giving an update. Gotta find what shorts I'm gonna wear first. Shit. All this shit's small as shit. I ain't trying to look like a fucking chick wearing short shorts. But something gotta be done. Always look at how much shit you have left and try to fucking do your research. Not like me. So you won't end up having to do this or stay up late at night washing clothes. Because the only 2 washaterias I know is like 30 minutes away. I'm not trying to drive 30 minutes, and then the Planet Fitness that I go to, the ones that I go to, they're 30 minutes from those washaterias. So yeah, it's not a good thing what I did, but to each its own. Just want to say that to y'all. Do y'all's research. And I wish y'all the best on everything. So you don't end up like this. Fuck, Kroger usually has shorts I like. Right now they ain't got shit. Like, come on now, this is short as shit. It is comfortable though. Well, how long is this shit? I don't care for the fucking price, bitch.